I'll be using the FET website to show you how to teach fundamentals ideas of counting and numbers. So, under fundamental ideas of counting and numbers, this basically focuses on standard order of numbers and the one-to-one correspondence. So, this is supposed to like help a student know some of the how to count numbers and also how to know why numbers are arranged in a certain order, and it also helps the student to know the counting principles. So a learner has to know why numbers are arranged in a certain order, and the one-to-one correspondent, why one number comes after the other, and why one number, each number and the number of each names for each case. For like example, counting from one, two, three, four, and going on. So a learner has to know uh, why is this number written like this, and why is it pronounced this way, and how is it different from the other number. So the learner has to know first the counting principle, knowing that numbers are written in a correct order, and they also have to know the order of the numbers and also the one-on-one correspondent. So, under our simulations in the FET website, the topic is in mathematics and statistics. So you click on mathematics and statistics, then you go under filter because we'd want to filter out the content or the simulation that can be able to accommodate our learners. In this case, you go under grade level and you tick on elementary school. So I'd like to remain with only the simulation that can be used to teach uh, little children who have no background whatever in mathematics to know how to count numbers and to know the name of each number. So, under our results, we have a number of simulations, and I'll prefer number play. So, number play is one of the most effective simulations because, as you can see on the screen, it has, I'll go and about so that you can know some of the topics. Number play covers a number of topics like we have numbers, quantity, cardinality, and subitizing. So basically, I'd want my students or my learners to be perfect on numbers. So that will be the topic I'll be focusing on. And the main learning goal is to help students know the correct order of numbers and how the numbers follow each other, their order. So, and after that, you'll dive right in under the simulation. You click on the simulation and it will take you to the number play screen. So on the number play screen, we have four screen play areas, or the four. It's divided into four. We have the tens, the twenties, the game, and the lab. So my learners have no idea whatsoever about even the difference between 10 and 20. So I'll use the 10 screen because in the 10 screen we have numbers ranging from 0 all the way to 10. And I'd like them to be comfortable with knowing the way the numbers are arranged from 0 to 10 before we go to the 20 screen where numbers are from all the way from 0 to 10. So we have this is how our screen looks like. We have the left play area, we have the right play area. We have a speaker here. You can press it to listen to how a word is supposed to be pronounced. You can add word so that you can see how it's supposed to be written in words. This box here shows you how it's supposed to be written in digits. Then you can add a 10 frame such that as you add the numbers, it will be displayed here. So in one of the play areas, the one in pink, I'll be adding the numbers in digits. Uh, while in the right play area, I have a number of objects. You have a puppy, you have an apple, a butterfly, and a ball. So I'll go with the puppy. So as you add one, it will also reflect the same on the right play area. So from one, we have next, that is, we have two. If you add next, we have three, If you add the next number, we have 4, and so on. So here, this one can help you listen. Here it can help you see how it's supposed to be written, and this one is the arrangement. So this one can help you introduce numbers to your learners now that they'll know how it's supposed to be written, how it's supposed to be pronounced, and using objects. It will be much easier to use objects when you're teaching that lesson. You can always go back. You can use this button to go back, and if you want to go back to the FET website, you can click right there and it will take you back to the main page.